There was a standoff between vendors and the police officers at the Maypen Market in Clarendon yesterday. Municipal police, along with members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, conducted an operation to enforce the Public Health Act and clamp down on breaches of the Agricultural Produce Act. Angry vendors at the Maypen Market in Clarendon.
They sat them on and then come and them start cut down the tarpaulin straight down. Say that the tarpaulin them need to come down. We cannot sell under the tarpaulin because they want fire truck to come in and they want this to come in and they want that to come in. How can we sell in the open? We cannot sell in the open with the perish goods. Rain or fall, sun or burn. We are not hog, we not goat.
How can we sell in a rain? We don't have no stall over we head. A table we are sell pan. And we tie we card. And the man a cut it down what we are talking about take for we talk. And disrespect, we are no hog and goat. And we pay we market fee. So that me I tell them to fix them business before they come in the correct market.
The vendors say they were told that sheds would have been provided for them to sell in the market, but that has not happened.
We don't have nobody for tax for we in here. We are hog and goat. We don't have no right. We don't have no right.
Officer in charge of the Clarendon Agriculture and Town Enforcement Team, Sergeant Ricardo here, says the police and the municipal corporation jointly carried out Saturday's operation.
The intention of this operation was to clamp down on predial larceny, as well as breaches of the Agriculture Produce Act, the Public Health Act, and of course the municipal corporation was doing their annual registration as well as other enforcement activities.
The police say several people were charged during the operation. A fire drill was also conducted with the help of the Maypen Fire Station.
In order to facilitate this operation, some tarpaulin that was hanging loosely and low in the market area, which is a public road, were removed. And of course, citizens were a bit tumultuous, being that it's a Saturday, so we know that it's a market day, one of their best market day. However, order was quickly restored and the operation was successful.
In the meantime, Acting Assistant Superintendent Glenn Russell from the Maypen Fire Station had some concerns.
We have gotten two major fires already, and the response in the market was that good. And now we are doing an exercise there, and the response in there is not a good look for us. Normally what we do, we'd always took like a minute or two to respond in the market. But now we did an exercise this morning, and it took us like 25 to 30 minutes, and that's not a good look.